Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you can't delete apps on your iPhone. If you are trying to delete apps on your iPhone but can't find the option, here's what you can do. For example, let us say you want to remove YouTube. When you try to remove the app from your home screen, you may not see the option to delete it entirely. To fix this issue, uninstall the app from your phone. Swipe to the app library section where you can sell all your apps. Long press on the app you want to delete, such as Messenger. Even in the app library, you might not find the delete option. Open your iPhone settings, tap on screen time, go to content and privacy restrictions, select iTunes and App Store purchases. Under deleting apps, if it is set to don't allow, change it to allow. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. Once you have set it to allow, return to your home screen. Long press on the app you want to delete, then select remove app. You will now see the option to delete app, which will completely uninstall it from your iPhone. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.